What's up guys? Today you join me under the truck and what we're going to do is change the oil in the rear diff. Now it is a very easy job, anyone can do this. All you need is a 24mm socket. If you're not to look anything like these ones, then a 6-sided socket is what you want, and a good tight fitting one like that. Only other thing you need, oh Jesus. So the only other thing you'll need is a drip tray to catch the oil. Now, whenever you're doing something like this, always remove the fill plug first. That's this one up here. The drain is located just underneath on this, but always remove this first, because sod's law dictates if you remove the drain first, you won't be able to get the fill out, so then you're stuffed, unable to fill your diff up. So yeah, that came off easy. I did crack it off just before, just to make sure, or just to see rather if I could get it off, and I can. And I also cracked this one, so this one won't be tight either, which it isn't. That doesn't look too bad, that oil, to be fair. It's not emulsified, so there's no water in it, which is good. Oh, there is still seem quite a lot, to be fair. But that'll just take a few minutes to drain. Now, if you see on this drain plug all that bits of crap, now that is expected. There's no big chunks on there. And that's all on there because it's magnetic. So it catches all the bits of wear and bits of bearings, because don't forget it is gears and it is metal contacting each other, so you do get little shavings and filings. Very, very fine. It's very fine, it's almost like dust. There's no big chunks, so that's good. All you have to do is wipe that off. I know that's still dripping a bit, but it looks like this will continue for, let this go all day and it'll still probably keep dripping like that. So there's probably only a little dribble at the bottom of this diff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the fill plug back in now. Just always remember to put the fill plug back in before you fill it up. Then you don't want to tighten these too much. Just snug it up basically, and now to fill it. Right, there we go. This takes 75-90 oil. takes about 2 litres or so. And all that you do is fill this up until the oil starts coming out. That's one bottle. Now for the second one. What you can do is stick your finger in, see if you can feel the oil. So it needs a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about 200 millilitres of this in. A tiny bit more. That should be more than enough. And the last thing to do is pop the fill plug back in and snug it up. Again, it doesn't need to be super tight. And that is how you change the diff oil in a Mitsubishi L200. As you can see, very simple, very straightforward, anybody can do it. So if you like this video and you want to see what I've got installed for this truck in the future, then please subscribe. You know, there's going to be a lot of mods on this, hopefully. So, catch you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and like. See you later and goodbye.